Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel at Fireblade 400 Airsoft as we review a budget gun. So today we've here a Classic Army 416D. So let's check what's inside. Let's open the box. The box you have here a instruction manual in French, in English, safety instructions, and programming the electric trigger unit. The user manual. You can also check the QR code here, so you can go to the website of Classic Army. The gun comes with a BBs. Check me out, the BBs. A metal magazine. So go. Metal. With a 9.6 NIM battery, non-jack. A wall charger that we need to throw away, but it's a review, so we don't need to throw it away. The unjamming rod, clear out guys, and of course the gun itself. There you go, the 416D of Classic Army. So it's look like the same as the HK, of course, but non-licensed by Umrex, but still okay. Still it is okay gun. Gun comes with a polymer body, so it means upper and lower, and the handguard or the rails on the front with the 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock quad rail, and a metal buffer tube, and of course the crane stock is from polymer, and the rail of the 1913 rail from this gun is metal, even though it's the receiver polymer, but they make it metal. Pulling the charging handle, it will reveal the rotary hop-up unit. So the arrow says down for more hop, and going up is for less hop. The gun comes with a pistol grip. This angle feels okay, feels nice, and with a flat trigger for faster shooting or quick shooting. Fire selector come only on the left side from the gun, and the mag release on the right. The ping pong lever is not working because it is a budget gun. So, and here is the flip up sights. That's not going anymore. Why is not going? Oh, there it is. So come with the standard front sight, and it is the back side. So it has the ring from the HK, and also the notch, the V notch here, or this here. It's not focusing right now. And a sling point at the left and at the right. So since this is budget, and it says it have a programmable trigger of fire rate, like 3 round bursts, 5 round bursts, full automatic, semi. So let's insert the battery and let us check how it's working. So let us try the gun. Safe. So always wear eye protection, and let's check the fire selector. So It says in the manual that I need to pull the trigger on semi-automatic, then it will make sounds. Oh, again. So that means that is single and full automatic. Pulling on the trigger, that is 3-round burst. Single and 3-round burst. Again on the trigger, that is 3-round burst and full automatic. And it is 5-round burst and then full automatic. That is single and single. And going back, then you have single and full automatic. So we're going back to the standard selection, and let us check the gun and let's chrono the gun. So this is 0.3 BBs and 9.6 battery. And so here we are at the shooting test with 0.3 BBs and with a 9.6 battery at 50 meters. So let's try 10 shots and then gonna do some full automatic. So let's go. I think that's 10. So let's try full automatic. Ooh, that's nice for this budget gun. So let's go back to the table. So the 416D is very nice. Shooting test was great. I didn't miss a lot, so 10 shots. So to be accurate with the shots, so we can test if it is a really good gun or not. And full automatic, 17 rounds per second is not bad for a budget gun. So check the link down below or check www.Shogun.NL for this gun. And it's cheap. So guys, so if you are low on the budget, check this out. The Classic Army 416D. We can change your fire selector to semi, 3-round burst, and so ever. It's very nice. And it comes with a metal buffer tube instead of polymer itself. So Lancer, Classic Army beat you with this one. Even though this is not a new gun, but I like it. So metal buffer tube, I say yes. So guys, comment down below what do you think about the gun. Is it worth your money for 135 euro? I saw it on the website for that price, but maybe it can change. So check it out, and do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and do not forget to share. So guys, thank you for watching, and I see you next time.